What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $325 per day from the Google Play Store. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out my channel. It's going to help out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now, before I get into the method, guys, please look out for the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video, because we got 2 days left to get to 5,000 subscribers. And if I can get there, guys, I'm going to give away some free money to 3 people. And all you have to do is type that code word down in the comments below. And please, guys, share this everywhere. Let's hurry up and get to 5,000 subscribers. We like 200 subscribers away, so let's get there, guys. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make this $325 per day in the Google Play Store. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm in the Google Play Store, and I went ahead and pulled up the first app. I'm going to talk about 3 apps. So the first app is UTests. And what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to go to their website, because they tell you more about this app on their website. But it does say here, it is the leading platform for global freelancing software testers to develop new skills, earn extra money, and make a real impact on digital products of their favorite brands. So they have a lot of brands that they work with, top brands, guys. So you're going to be testing some big time companies. So let's just go to their website right quick. Okay, guys, I'm at their website. It's utest.com. And let's just scroll down here and see how it works. So create your UTest account. So it's real easy to create the account. All you do is you're going to put in your email. You're going to confirm your email, fill out the testing profile, and they're going to match you with the best paid testing products just for you. Then you're going to be able to build your skills in the academy. So you're going to learn how to test with us by completing courses, passing quizzes, and participating in live practice test cycles. And that's neat, guys. So they're going to test you and show you how to be a good tester. And number 3, you're going to receive and accept project invitation. So as your tester rating increases, you'll receive product invitations or surveys requests that match with your tester profile. That's real good, guys. It's really good. They want you to succeed in doing these tests. And 4th, you're going to complete projects and earn. So you're going to report bugs or share your opinion about apps and products and earn payments for your approved work. And you're going to get paid twice a month. So you got to have PayPal if you want to get paid. And guys, this is a very, very good app. And here's the brands that you're going to be working with. So you're going to be testing for Volkswagen, Facebook, Google, McDonald's, Starbucks, Tesla. Wow, that's some big time companies, guys. So guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to say about this app because I got two more. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the other two. So if you want to go ahead and download this app and get started making money just testing products, go to UTests.com, sign up, and then download the app. So let me go to the next app. All right, I'm at the next app, and the name of this app is Nevo. So with this app, you're going to earn some extra money on the bus, in line for your morning double shot, or during your commercial break by completing mobile-friendly tasks that help AI mobile run smoothly. Now, if you don't know what AI is, that's artificial intelligence. So you're going to be helping artificial intelligence to run smoother. Guys, you're being part of history here, guys, because one day AI is going to be everywhere. It's already in all software and everything, but it's going to be everywhere like robots and whatnot. So you are being part of history by testing these AI so they can run smoother. So this is how it's going to work on this app. So you're going to download and register, link a verified payment method, which most likely will be PayPal, and start completing tasks. What you'll do, common tasks may include drawing, bounding boxes around objects and pictures, identifying key people, places, and things in text, and transcribing snippets of recorded audio. Wow, that's unique, guys. That's unique. What you'll get paid. So payment varies depending on the task, but Nevo contributors average $10 to $15 per hour, guys, usually working in 10 to 15 minute chunks of time. So only 10 to 15 minutes, guys, you're going to be getting paid $10 to $15 an hour. So how your work is used. So to understand the world around them, AI models rely on human annotators to teach them what's what. So that's something, guys. So that's what you're going to be working on here doing, helping AI understand humans. That's something else. All right, so let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.3, not too bad. And I'm not going to read any reviews. You can just come here and read the reviews for yourself. But this is a pretty unique app. It's different than any other app I've researched on here that has to do with testing. It's real unique. So if you want to go ahead and get started on this app, go to Nevo in the Google Play Store. Now let me go to the last app. All right, I'm at the last app. Now I've talked about this app a couple of times before, but I want to bring it up again because it's one of the best testing apps in the Google Play Store, and you can make a lot of money with this app. So, TryMyUI is a mobile app that lets you test out mobile websites and apps and get paid to give your feedback. A typical test takes 15 to 20 minutes and pays $10. You must sign up as a tester at their website, which is www.TryMyUI.com, to test on TryMyUI app unless you are a guest tester. So let's read a little bit more. So what does TryMyUI mobile app consist of? So read the frame of mind to put yourself into the mindset of a real user of the website or app your testing, follow the tasks given, doing your best to complete them all in order in under 20 to 30 minutes. When you're done with the task, upload your finished video, write your answers to 4 questions of the wrap-up survey. And that's it, guys. And once you upload that, get approved that you completed the test, boom, you get $10 real quick. It doesn't take that much time for this app to pay you the $10 into your PayPal account. So you got to have a PayPal account for this one also too. And so they just testing simple websites and apps, guys. And let's look at the review. Look, 4 stars out of 5. So this is one of the best testing apps on here. That's why it's 4 stars, guys. And let's go ahead and read one review. So Vince C says, great app, fun way to make money. So that guy says this is a great app. So that's all I'm gonna say about this app, because I've talked about it before. It's not much else. They're just like the other 2 apps I talked about, but it's just one of the best ones because it's been around the longest and it never fails on paying people money every time they test a website or app. So if you want to go ahead and get started on this one, go ahead and go to TryMyUI on Google Play Store. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about these apps. And please type that code word that popped up somewhere in this video so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thanks again. Please, let's get to 5,000. We can make it, guys. We only got a couple of more days. Let's get to 5,000 subscribers. Share this. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button, guys. Let's get there. Let's get to 5,000. All right. One more thing before I go. Please check out my other channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. Check that out. And check out my podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow Show. So subscribe to that channel and check out the podcast. And one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind on.